Components of an ecosystem assessment. Fill in the table. Read the list of items in column 1 in the table below. In column 2, write whether or not you think each item is biotic or abiotic. Column 1, number 1, earthworm. Number 2, grass. Number 3, clouds. Number 4, soil. Number 5, sidewalk. Multiple choice. Place the letter of your answer choice in the blank provided. Number 6, all of the following are characteristics of living organisms except A, energy use, B, mobility, C, reproduction, D, growth. Number 7, a squirrel, a coyote, and a hawk are all members of the same A, species, B, population, C, community, D, school. Number 8, a group of the same type of organisms that all live in the same area are A, organism, B, community, C, population, D, ecosystem. Number 9, all of the living and non-living things that interact in an area are A, organism, B, population, C, community, D, ecosystem. Number 10. Number 10, which sequence shows the most logical levels of organization? A, ecosystem to organism to population to community. B, population to community to ecosystem to organism. C, organism to population to community to ecosystem. D, ecosystem to organism to community to population. Number 11, two students are out walking in their neighborhood when they see a field of flowers. Student number 1 says, "Hey, look, those flowers in the field are a good example of a population." Student 2 thinks that the flowers in the field are not an example of a population. A, student 1 is correct because flowers are one species and therefore they are a population. B, student 2 is correct because there is more than one species of flowers. Therefore, the field of flowers are a community, not a population. C, neither student 1 nor student 2 is correct. A field of flowers is an organism. Number 12, in the 6th grade courtyard, students found a green blob. They were not sure if it was a biotic organism, so they brought it to the science classroom. They observed it over several days. List and describe at least 3 of the characteristics they would have to observe to call the blob a biotic organism. Number 1, characteristic and description. Number 2, characteristic and description. Number 3, characteristic and description.